placing that second board. Johnny's reaching for the second board as well as Willie climbs up. Johnny's up right behind him. Willie's chopping, Johnny's chopping. We're both chopping. Now this is where the race gets real, folks. So let's really make some noise. Off of the blocks there, hitting hard, clear as day. Okay, this is it, folks. Johnny's turning around. We're on the second half of the block. Willie's right there with him. Which one's gonna chop through first? Woo! Willie's got a couple more hits. Let's help him out, Blue. Willie, 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 Willie. Almost there, and there.
Oh!
Well, I think Green won that one.
Whatever. You just got lucky.
Well, you just got second. We're bringing out the double-bladed throwing axes next. In the past, as lumberjacks walked through the woods, they threw their axe at the next tree they wanted to fall. This became a popular pastime back in the logging camps, especially on a Friday night after a couple of drinks. So we'll be aiming at this target right here. The red bullseye in the middle is worth 5 points. And then 4, 3, 2, 1 for the outer rings. Each lumberjack will take a practice throw first, and then we'll have 3 counting throws. Highest possible score is 15 points. Now let's let the winner of the chop throw first. Oh, very nice.
Oh, wow.
Good practice throw. Hey, Billy, Billy! Down.
Oh, I'm just stretching.
Stretching.
Come on, Willie.
Ooh.
Great. Good practice throws. We're all warmed up. First counting throw, Johnny.
All right, come on, help me out here.
Hey, Johnny.
Over there. Come on.
Points.
Oh!
Okay, we got 5 points to 4 points. Second throw. What was that? Allergies. You allergic to losing?
I'm allergic to
What?
Yeah.
Okay, well that was 4 points for Johnny. Hey, Johnny. Stop it. What are you doing?
Cleaning up.
Cleaning? You've never cleaned before?
Never had allergies.
Ooh.
Okay, so we're at 7 to 8 for Johnny. Final throw.
Oh.
Okay, that might be just touching the 2-point ring. So 2 points, which means you need 3 to tie, 4 to win.
That shouldn't be too hard. Right, Blue. Come on, thanks.
3 points! That means we are all tied up going into a sudden death round.
Sudden death?
No, at the target, at the target.
Oh, at the top. Okay.
Okay, both lumberjacks will throw their axe. Closest to the center of the bullseye wins. That
아.
one goes to Willie! We've seen the axes. Next up are the cross-cut saws. These were used in the woods before chainsaws. They were affectionately known as old Swede fiddles or misery whips, and you're about to see why. Each lumberjack has set the teeth of their saw into the wood. Let's have a race and see who can saw through that log the fastest. Who's cheering for Johnny? Let's hear it for Willie! Lumberjacks, ready? 1, 2.
Oh, wait, wait.
What's the matter?
Oh, I think I hurt my back.
Oh no, what do you want to do?
Can I just straighten up real quick?
Yeah, okay, stretch that out. We'll give him in just a moment. And
Hey!
Hey.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Uh-huh. Put that back, please. Without cutting the wood. Johnny! Willie! Willie! Stop it! What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm just idling.
Idling?
Yeah, we saw what he did.
Yeah, I saw what he did. You're both cheaters. All right, lumberjacks. Ready? 1, 2, go! Cheer on the lumberjacks!
肯定他赢了，他倒到下去了。
So far, we're getting close to the bottom of the blue side.
오.
What a stupid event, huh?
Yeah, you got there eventually.
Oh, come on.
You know, tell you the truth, it's getting too easy. Well, I beat you at it every time. I was going easy on you there, and I still beat you by what, 5 seconds? Come on. I think you need a little bit of practice there, buddy.
Remember when I won the chop?
I don't remember that.
It did, wasn't it? Yeah, it really doesn't matter what this guy does it. Win or lose, he's just bragging. Brag.
I'm not bragging. I'm just the best, right, Blue?
What makes you think you're so good?
Well, I'm the best and I can prove it.
How are you going to do that?
I guarantee I win the next event.
What makes you so sure you can win the next event?
I'm the only one in the next event.
I like his odds. What are you going to do?
Well, you probably don't know it's about me, but I just so happen to be the world's fastest speed chainsaw carver. Hold your applause. That's right, I can take a block of wood like this, still chainsaw like that, and I can carve me up a recognizable animal in my world record time of 15.5 seconds.
15.5. Wow, that's quick.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
So what are you going to carve?
You guys saw the carvings on the way in here, right? Like the eagle and the bear, right? They were pretty good, right? I didn't do those ones. But I'll tell you what, on the way to work this morning, I saw the cutest little bunny rabbit. So I thought I'd carve up one of those. You guys want to see a bunny?
Let me get this straight. You're going to carve a bunny with a chainsaw in 15.5 seconds?
You know what? I'm feeling so good today. We got such an awesome audience. I think we can break that record.
Oh, really?
You guys need someone to time for me.
Oh, you're on, buddy. Can we get someone in the audience to help us? So, someone got a stopwatch, iPhone, that sort of thing?
I got a calendar if you'd like.
Thanks, Johnny. Yeah, you got one right there? Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can be our timer.
Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Sean.
So, what's your name?
Sean Caldwell Pegasus.
Okay, the name's not that important. So here's what we're gonna do. Pegasus. I'm gonna warm up my chainsaw. After that's done, Angie's gonna count 1, 2, go. You're gonna start the timer. I'm gonna carve up the cutest little bunny rabbit you guys ever saw. And I'm gonna throw down my chainsaw, throw up my hands, and you're gonna shout out my new world record time. Does that sound good?
All right.
Is that?
Go ahead, warm up your saw. We're going to start with a warm up. Are you warm yet?
We're both warm.
Excellent. Lumberjack ready. Timer ready.
Go!
What? Wait, no, sorry. Sorry, just, it's okay. I'm going to say go. I'm the one that says go. It's my job. That's okay. You hit start when I say go. Okay. I think we got it. Ready. 1, 2, go.
Stop the time. How did I do? What was that? 5 seconds. 5 seconds, you guys! I completely smashed the world record! The crowd was wild! All the media, stop the press!
Calm down.
Thank you. There's just so many people I want to thank for this moment.
You don't look like money.
I want to thank my mom for dressing me this morning. I want to thank Johnny's mom for last night. She made me cookies.
Where's the rabbit?
What do you mean, where's the rabbit? It's right here.
What do you mean? That's not a rabbit.
Yeah, it is. Look, we got an eye there and a nose over here. We got some ears. Some ears, right, guys? That's a bunny rabbit. Yeah.
Really? Come on. Where have you seen a rabbit that looks like this?
I told you I was on the way to work this morning. Well, yeah, I was just driving along, and there it was. Middle of the road, flat. It looked just like that. You know, boing, boing, boing.
Hey, stop it. That's terrible.
Well, that's nature.
Is that all you're going to do?
I've got some more wood. I could carve up a whole family of them if you want.
No, thank you. I don't think the audience wants to see a family of roadkill.
Ah, sure they do. Look, got the old mother-in-law right here, right, guys? It's starting to look a bit like a family tree.
Stop that. Quit it. That's embarrassing. You know what me and the rest of Green here think you're a little bunny massacre?
Yeah, what's that?
This is you, pal, right here.
I don't get it. Well, I'd like to see you do better.
Yeah, you know what? Maybe I will. What do you guys say? You want to see a real bunny carving?
Johnny, you sure about this?
That can't be that hard, right?
Okay. Would you like the timer?
No, that's okay. No speed records or anything like that, but one bunny coming right up.
Okay, Johnny's going to carve us a bunny. Here we go.
Oh!
Alright, so the ears took a lot longer than I thought. This is great. Yeah.
I wouldn't call it great.
It's a bunny. Come on, I gotta show them.
Don't show them
Look,
this,
it's a bunny
Johnny.
right guy. Thank you.
Why are you clapping?
Yeah, don't clap. Throw money.
No, don't. Johnny, come on. This is embarrassing.
That's a little hurtful. Come on, it's good. Look, you got ears, eyes, nose, a cute bunny smile. What's it missing, right?
What's it missing?
Nothing. You go home, kid.
Hey, Johnny's joking, don't you worry. You're right. You're right. He needs a tail, whiskers,
Okay,
teeth.
I get it. You want more body parts.
Yes, please.
So you want a boy bunny or a girl bunny?
Johnny.
You got whiskers and teeth, right?
Whiskers, teeth. a fluffy little bunny tail.
How about bushy eyebrows?
What? Eyebrows?
Yeah, bushy eyebrows, just like Willie. You guys will love it.
How are we gonna fix that?
Just distract them.
How am I supposed to distract them? Oh. Johnny! I'm not gonna smile and wave. Look what you did.
What I did?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? This is your fault.
What? How is it my fault?
Everybody saw ya, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you. I'm up here making the crucial monobrow cut, and what does she do? She comes running up here, yelling and screaming, waving her tiny hands around at me. You distracted me. Made me cut a hair too deep.
A hair too deep.
In the script that. See you guys.
Johnny, come on. Everyone's out here to see a lumberjack show. You're wasting their time.
Well, they came to see the bears, but.
Okay. Why don't you just sit